So that Fashion Nova haul didn't quite live up to the hype. Don't worry, getting your money back is totally doable. And I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get a refund. First things first, head over to the Fashion Nova website. You can do this on your computer or on your phone, whatever is easiest. Once you're there, log into your account. Then locate the My Account section. Usually, it's in the top right corner of the page. Click on that. Next, find the order that contains the item you want to return. Click on the order details to see everything included in that specific order. Now, look for a Start a Return or Return Items button. It might be near the top or bottom of the order details page. Click on it, and this will take you to the return portal page. Select the item you're returning and choose the reason from the drop-down menu, such as didn't fit or damaged. Make sure you're within the return window, which is usually 30 days, and remember, the item has to be unworn and with all the original tags. Fashion Nova will provide you with a prepaid shipping label or instructions for how to ship the item back. Pack the clothing item securely, attach the label, and drop it off at the designated shipping location. After Fashion Nova receives and processes your return, you'll receive a refund to your original payment method. This can take several business days, so be patient and keep an eye on your bank account or credit card statement, and that's it. Hopefully, this helps you get your refund from Fashion Nova.